Looking for delicious and healthy smoothie recipes for weight loss? Well, the search is over. Today we're diving into a whirlwind of flavors with 5 trending smoothie recipes, each scientifically backed to aid in weight loss. First up, the Berry Blast Smoothie. This vibrant concoction is a blend of mixed berries, a banana for creaminess, and a splash of unsweetened almond milk. The berries are packed with antioxidants and fiber, keeping you full for longer and supporting your weight loss journey. Next, we have the Green Power Smoothie. It's not just about the color, it's about the power-packed ingredients. Spinach, a banana, pineapple chunks, and a bit of ginger will do the trick. The ginger kickstarts your metabolism, while the fruits provide natural sweetness. Onto the Chocolate Peanut Butter Smoothie. Sounds indulgent, doesn't it? Fear not, this smoothie combines unsweetened cocoa powder, a tablespoon of natural peanut butter, a banana, and unsweetened almond milk. This smoothie is a protein powerhouse, aiding muscle recovery and keeping hunger pangs at bay. The fourth delight is the Mango Turmeric Smoothie. This sunny delight combines ripe mango, a dash of turmeric, a spoonful of Greek yogurt, and a splash of almond milk. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, while the mango gives you a tropical flavor explosion. Our final offering is the Pumpkin Spice Smoothie. This one brings together pumpkin puree, a banana, some Greek yogurt, a hint of maple syrup, and a sprinkle of pumpkin spice. This smoothie is a fiber-rich treat that can keep you feeling satisfied for hours. Remember, when crafting these smoothies, always opt for fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables and steer clear of sugary drinks or processed foods. For an added nutrition boost, consider adding a scoop of protein powder or a tablespoon of ground flaxseed. Now it's time to blend, sip, and enjoy these delicious, health-boosting smoothies. Be sure to share your experience and tell us which smoothie recipe you're most excited to try in the comments section. Enjoy your journey to wellness.